Test, test, test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Let me know if y'all can hear me good. What's going on, everybody? Already in the live stream. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. It's a new month, y'all. It's a new month. We absolutely killed October. I'm going to be posting the recap of that later on today, probably during the New York session. So make sure to be on the lookout for that, y'all. What's going on, ThinkFX? I see you up in here. What's going on? What's going on? Those just joining the stream, we have not entered any trades yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did. Well, that's how we did September. October just ended. You see how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We'll be tallying up and posting a recap of how we ended October later on today. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. Just shot the new video for y'all too a couple days ago, so make sure to check that out if you have not already. All playlists are up to date. We're gonna be looking for possible GU sells. Yesterday, we had price reject this level and continue to put the downtrend back in play, right? Because how it was looking last week. Then we had price retrace, failing to hold as low as resistance. And we had price shoot back down yesterday. So we're clearly back in the downtrend. So we're going to be looking for sells. So we're either going to be looking for one or two things to happen. We're going to be seeing if price can break and hold 2885 as resistance. If it can't, we go for sales going to 2860. Or if it wants to retest 2915, we're going to look for sales going there as well. Now, we do have a couple news events. We do have a Euro holidays today. In about 20 minutes, we got Swiss franc news popping off. Then at 8:30, we got USD news, as well as we got USD news at 10 a.m. I'm going to be going live with the members during the 8:30 news. Going to see how that plays out. So members be on the lookout for that link. You can also see NAS sales here. If NAS can hold 19,970 as resistance, we can look for sales going down to 19,850. We're about to see how this next 15 looks. Got a couple setups though. Scalping GJ right now. Yeah, I'm personally leaving it alone right now. What's US30 looking like in NAS? Not really looking at US. I can pull up US30. I haven't looked at it all week though. But NAS, just like with GU, got a reversal take place yesterday. Again, we had that bullish momentum, but we can see here on Tuesday and Wednesday, price failed to hold this level as support, and we see price push down and rejected these levels yesterday. So we can see possible sells here. If NAS can continue to hold 990 as resistance, we can look for sells going down to 19,840. So that's what we're looking at right here. As far as US30, I don't know if I have any levels marked off on it. Let's take a look. No, I don't. The US30 is in a downtrend as well. So sales right, but US30 is a more defined downtrend. We can see the clear lower lows getting made. Whereas when we look at NAS, NAS just is in the reversal stage, right? US30 already had the reversal into a new lower low come into play. Nas is a little late to the party. Yeah, we had a lot of retracements take place yesterday and reversals. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at the charts. Drop in the chat. Let's go ahead and move these alerts to while we're at it. Yeah, but I'm personally leaving GJ alone for right now. Probably won't trade it this week. I mean, the week's already over. I probably won't trade it today, I should say. 15 just popped up. Yeah, we only took one loss last month in October. Took a nice G in. My bad, that threw me off. We took a nice G in buy yesterday. T4 got hit, caught 34 pips. Didn't take a trade. What you call it? Today, Friday. So we didn't take a trade Wednesday. We see on the 29th, we had a gold buy and a GJ buy. Got 3,200 pips on gold, 97 pips on GJ. Again, all these trades we take, every single trade we take, we break down, if not as well, enter during these London session lives. And we also give the projection at the beginning of the week in the Sunday chart analysis. Check out the Sunday chart analysis. It goes over what we see prices doing, not just throughout Sunday night and Monday, but we absolutely dominated this week as well. So, like I said, during the New York session, we'll be posting the recap of the month, tallying the win rate, pips caught, all that good stuff. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. But again, if you just scroll and explore, you can check it out yourselves. Everything's dated, timed, and documented. As far as how we did last week we went 3-0. Week before that, we went 3-1. This was the week we only took our only loss. We went 3-0 the week before that, and then the shift into October, we went 2-0. So that's how we did this month. If you scroll to October 2nd, you'll see how we ended September. September went 14-2, doing an 88% win rate, catching a total of 35,486 pips. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month. Again, all wins and losses are posted. Drop the Sunday chart analysis beginning every week. You go to photos, over 1,000 photos, 2 years worth of receipts, screenshots, positions, screenshots, signals, student results, testimonials, all that good stuff. So make sure to check out. Oops, this is on my other screen. Hold on a second. There we go. All right, so make sure to check all that stuff out, y'all. But again, we're just chilling right now, waiting for volume to kick in, our confirmations to be met. We do have some New York news today. We do got the infamous ADP. So again, if price is kind of dead or slow, especially these next 2 hours, not be shocked or surprised if price doesn't really make a move until pre-New York or until after the news. But we're looking at possible NAS sales and possible GU sales right now. Just waiting for our confirmations. Yeah, I saw both of them. New 5 minutes about to pop up. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When looking at charts, drop in the chat. We got a couple minutes to this 5 minute closes. Again, if NAS can hold 19,980 as resistance, we could look for sales going down to 19,40. And if it can break that, we could possibly see it go as low as 19,700. All right, y'all. That's the only chart we're really looking at right now. If you guys want me to look at any other charts in my analysis or opinion, just drop them in the chat and I got you. As far as trades and possible setups I'm looking at right now, I'm just looking at and paying attention to NAS100. Again, we do have ADP at 830, and then we have Swiss franc who's about to pop off in a minute for those that trade the Swiss franc. Euro CAD, I got you. We can take a look. Euro. I got you. Give me a second. What's going on? Yo, what's going on? Those are just on the stream. We have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month. Well, that's how we did September. I'm going to be posting the recap of how we did last month later on today. But you see how we did last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker underscore way, TikTok underscore playmaker underscore. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at EuroCAD. I got you right now, CJ. So looking at EuroCAD, let's go ahead and pull this over. Boom. So we're in the uptrend. Right, we just had a clear high get made all this week, and we just approached this resistance over here at 51.55. So we can 51.55 support. We could look for continued buys going into 51.95 and possibly up to 52.30, right? But if it fails to hold this level at support, which it kind of struggled to do so a little bit last night, we can see a possible retracement going back down to 51.10, 51.15 price range. But we are looking for the highs, so I wouldn't look for sales. Has done a big push all this week, so and this is a strong resistance level, and we can see each time price recently has come to this point is rejected, so we could see retracement today. But if we can hold this level at support, we can see the uptrend continue, and that's what's going to need to happen for the uptrend to continue. What's going on with persistent space? What confirmations are we waiting on? Well, we're just waiting for volume really as well, right? So again, look to the left, we can see that price has been consolidating and chilling here since 11 o'clock yesterday. New York session hasn't moved. So for me to want to pull the trigger, I'm going to have to see something different happen. One, I'm going to have to see price show me signs that attempt to break through this level of consolidation. And two, I'm going to need to see some volume start to pop up a little bit. Look at these candlesticks. We're on a 15-minute time frame right now, so that means every candlestick is an hour. And when we just look at these individual candlesticks, we see a bunch of wickiness, and we see very small candlesticks. Again, price has been chilling and stuck here since 11 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's holding this level as resistance, but you know, this stuff is chilling right here, right? So when there's consolidation, especially a lack of volume, you're gonna do one or two things. You're gonna have volume pick up and make its way continuing the trend, the direction it's going, or it's going to reject and retest the level above or in this case. Right? So that's really what we're waiting. Again, if we just be realistic, even if we would have entered this trade at 335, 330, or even 315, we'd still be dwindling in and out of drawdowns. So it's not like we're missing anything. You see what I'm saying? So it's not, you know. So that's how I always look at it. It's like there's no point in being in a rush to take a trade, especially when price is not moving. You know what I'm saying? Because if we would have been pulled the trigger, it's not like price has moved or done anything. You see what I'm saying? Is it USD CHF? Yeah, we just had news pop out. That's most likely why. We had 330 Swiss franc news. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We'll look at any charts, drop them in the chat. Shout out to everybody live, y'all. It is Friday, November 1st. By the way, congratulations to those that's been tuning in to the weekly Bitcoin analysis. Y'all should be happy to look at y'all's portfolios. Bitcoin is right back at the all-time highs. Y'all should be super, super, super deep in profit on that. If you haven't seen this week's Bitcoin analysis, make sure to check that out as well. Now, Bitcoin has retraced, obviously, from when it hit that level, but it's still broken, touched the all-time highs. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Okay, sounds good. I'll just listen to the playback. I sounded static for a second. I was making sure, because I wasn't listening to my stream. So I was like, hopefully I didn't just do all those breakdowns and answer all those chats and y'all couldn't hear me. But y'all usually let me know when the mic goes wrong. So again, if I sound static at any point, let me know immediately so I can fix that. I gotta still figure out a better way for my client management. What else we got up in here? Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, persistence. If it goes bad, let me know. Like I said, it's not the microphone. It's simply it's the StreamYard, and also since like the hurricane and stuff, like it seems bad, worse than usual. I even had to call my Wi-Fi people and they're talking about some towers or whatever the case may be. But it's literally just when I live stream. But it's also sometimes when I do use StreamYard, that's what I was saying. Sometimes my cord, if I touch it even slightly while I'm streaming, it'll mess with the audio. But the same mic I use right now is the same exact mic I use to post all my videos. And in all my videos, you hear me crystal clear, right? I use the same exact mic for the chart analysis. I go live with the members. So it's literally just the live streaming issue. But like I said, if it ever goes bad, just let me know and I'll fix it. All right, so if I ever say anything, want me to repeat myself, just say, hey, mic, I messed up, fix your mic, repeat what you said, and I have no issue repeating what I said. Okay. Let me grab my earphones. I have them charging, because usually when I be talking on the streams, I'll be listening to myself to make sure I don't be getting in and out. Yeah, I do gotta do some experimenting this weekend though. I keep talking about it, but I'll be noticing while I'll be listening to the playback as well. Like when I'm looking at my other monitor, So I already got a low voice, so I don't be screaming into the mic. So when I turn my head to look at my other screen, that doesn't help with the audio either. But again, going back to what we was talking about beforehand, right? We're waiting for volume. Yes, price is holding as low as resistance, but we can clearly see that price is not trying to make its way to the next level. You see what I'm saying? So even if we would have took this trade, we'd actually be in a slight drawdown right now. We wouldn't be in profit. So it's not like we missed anything at all. New 15 just popped up. So again, we had some big reversals and rejections take place during yesterday. And we do have again 8:30 news, and it's a new month, right? So with that being said as well, we usually see this happen. So again, if price doesn't really do anything the next hour or two, don't be too shocked or surprised if prices continues to consolidate up until pre-New York or up until the news pops off. Because again, we look at yesterday, right? This was Tokyo session going to London session. London session was right here. Price went up to here during New York session. New York session failed to break this level. Then we had news yesterday as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we had 8:30 news yesterday as well. And then after that, 8:30 news, an hour later, price volume came in and rejected. And then it literally did a quick move for like 2 hours. And after that, again, since 11 o'clock yesterday, price has just been consolidating and ranging right here. And still consolidating and ranging in real time. Same thing with GU. All right. Again, it was chilling here. London and New York session. Then an hour after the New York news, did a rejection, then just consolidated and chilled here for the rest of the day. Resistance, I never said it was your end. I literally said it's. I explained it. I never said it's your end though. Well, I'm well aware it's a technical issue on my side, and like I was saying, it's due to I'm live streaming. Right, when you live streaming takes up, I don't know the exact term, but it takes a lot more effort, and you need more internet speed and power than if you was just to be watching a Netflix show or texting or playing the game on your phone. Live streaming takes a lot more than that. Like I said, when I'm live streaming, on top of my internet being trash for the past few months, that's what causes it, right? And then also, for some reason, when I live stream, if I even touch the cord of my mic, it'll mess up the audio as well. But like I said, it's the same exact mic I use with everything else on my YouTube videos, Sunday chart analysis, Zooms with the members, one-on-one sessions. I use the same mic, same setup. Only difference is that stuff's on Zoom and not on StreamYard, and I sound crispy clear, no issues. So I'm well aware it's when I live stream that I have this issue. But I've also tried a bunch of different mics, so that hasn't changed anything. So I'm just like, it is what it is. So that's why whenever it gets messed up, I do what I can on my end to fix it. And then if it gets messed up, y'all can't understand me, just let me know and I'll fix it. All right, again, y'all. We see what Nas was doing, and let's go back to what I was talking about before. So again, this is why we wait for those confirmations, and we stick to the rules that we have in place. Now, again, that doesn't mean price can't eventually push back down, but until price shows us that it's trying to not only hold 19,980 as resistance, but try to push through this consolidation and head towards 19,850, we're just not going to pull the trigger. Again, it did have some reversals and some retracements take place yesterday, and we do have 8:30 news as well as 10 a.m. news, so keep that in mind, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal room, free Telegram. Looks like GU might try to do something as well. We're looking for possible GU sells also. If it can hold here, 28.85 is resistance. We can look for sales going back down to 28.60. And if it can break this low, we can see possible sales down to 28. What did I say? 28.35. All right, y'all. Again, it's a new month. We got 2 months left into the year, y'all. Let's end this year and quarter off right. Be on the lookout for the recap of how we ended October. I'm going to be dropping that during the New York session in the Telegram. And yeah, we'll be back at the same time next week, one in session 3 a.m. EST.